The 6 things ERISA disability policyholders need to know about picking the right date to claim they became disabled. Did you know that you can destroy your ERISA disability insurance claim by making one simple mistake? And it's picking the wrong date to claim you became disabled. In this 2-part video, I'm going to talk about the 6 things that ERISA disability policyholders need to know about picking the right date to claim they became disabled. Look, it's easy to pick a date of disability if you were involved in an accident, but what's the date of disability if you have a progressive problem and you're trying to stick it out? You don't want to stop working, or you can't afford to stop working. If that's your situation, there are 6 things you need to know about picking the right date to claim that you've become disabled. This is the very situation that requires planning and where I can help. You need to first know, when was the coverage effective? Why? Because the carrier might try to apply the pre-existing condition exclusion. You need to know what you have to prove to get your disability benefits. So you need to understand what the definition of your occupation is, so that you're providing the doctor and the carrier with the correct definition of your occupation. But one of the big issues is, can you be partially disabled, or do you have to be totally disabled? That is going to come from the policy. The other issue is, if you don't understand what the limitations of coverage are, you may be setting yourself up for a limited period of benefits. The other information that you need to know is there an offset for any benefits that you might get because of Social Security, or even taking your sick time or vacation time. So you got to read this policy from head to toe, if you will, so that you understand what the policy requirements are. Now, one of the other big mistakes is not knowing when you have to give notice of your claim, because you do have to give the carrier timely notice. And so I think that it's crucial that you start out with the policy and understand what the policy requires you to do, so you avoid making those 6 mistakes.